How to turn your 5.5-foot bed into a 6.5-foot bed. Stay tuned and find out. Hi, this is Matt with Blue Taco Gear. This episode we're going to talk about extending the truck bed of your Taco. And so I thought I'd share with you this mod that I added. It's been super helpful to my everyday driver that I also use for overlanding and camping. So you've probably seen these before, or bed extenders. But let me show you this specific one, and I have links in the description below on where I got this. But these bracket into pivot points right here in the metal part of the bed towards the back. So you can see here, pivot point here. Now when you go to install these, they give you actually a template that you use, and you lay it up against both pillars, and that gives you points for the screws, and then you screw these in. Now this particular kit I like because it doesn't require you to take the lights out and put bolts through. They're actually self-tapping screws, and they go straight in here. Now I did paint the inside of the holes after I drilled the pilot holes in there, so there wouldn't be any rust, and I also put some sealer putty in there to avoid any water damage. So that's what we're doing here. So the bed extender extends your bed a full foot, and so let me pull this out so you can see what it looks like as it comes out like this. Okay, the first thing that you'll see here is that there's pins down in there. You pull those pins and the whole bracket will come out and be removed if you don't need it. But here's an interesting thing this particular one has. There's these straps on both sides, and they actually come and click right in there. So it holds this down so it won't flip up on you. So it extends your bed all the way literally to the back. Leaves about 3 inches here, okay, but keeps all the cargo in. I've already used this 2 or 3 times for hauling a lot of equipment, furniture, brush, debris. Again, I use my truck as a truck, so this has been super helpful. Now to unlock this strap on both sides, you just pull the handle and it comes out, and then you flip it back over. Now, the beauty of this is you can use this almost like a trunk. So you're able to put things in the back of your Taco and they won't roll all over the back. So think of groceries or suitcases or, you know, sports equipment or whatever. So even with the tailgate closed, you can see it kind of makes a nice little contained trunk. So thanks for all of our subscribers. Please like and subscribe for future content. Thanks for supporting the channel.